Austin Enterprises today over here, Arkansas Best Backhoe Service. Jack's the general superintendent over here, and I really got to watch what I'm doing, so I'm going to give him my best shot.
Look at that thing. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Perfectly in place. Wow.
Four snakes. Copperhead. We just did that job over at Jackson Austin Enterprises. We got rated 5 stars by the customer, so there's a good start. We're looking good.
Got a hamburger?
The hamburger, I don't know. I was talking about the job. I'm gonna rate it a 4.5 star.